Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your IMO account on your iPhones. For an Android it's a little bit different, so it won't work for you, but for iPhones this will work just fine. So all you have to do is head over to your IMO application, and what you want to do when you're on here is you want to click on your little icon in the top left corner. Now on iPhones you just want to go to the top right and click on the little settings gear. It's blue right there, and then you want to scroll down and you will see an option to delete your IMO account right here. So just go ahead and click on that. Put your password in for your iPhone, and then you just have to put your phone number that you used to create your account, so you can switch your country to your country that you are in. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then you just put your phone number in here, so I'll go ahead and do that as well, and then I'll just go click on delete in the top right corner. Once you put your phone number in, it'll ask you to give them some feedback, so you can if you would like to. If you don't want to, just click on delete and then delete once more, and then your account will be deleted. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to delete your IMO account. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.